My name is Maria Halasova. I am a staff developer advocate at Unstructured, where we focus on pre-processing unstructured data for RAG. So when you're building a RAG application and you want to use this high-quality data that is in unstructured formats, there are several issues with making it usable. First of all, it's usually scattered across an organization in multiple different places, and Unstructured can ingest data from 20 different source locations. Next problem is that unstructured data comes in a whole bunch of different native formats. As the name implies, it doesn't have any structure, and you have to figure out how to parse those documents to extract the text, and this can be challenging. In some cases, maybe like Markdown, you can use rule-based parsers to pull the text out of it. But in more complex cases like PDFs and PowerPoints or images, we offer tools that can extract text from 25 different file types. We offer smart chunking strategies that take into account document structure and hierarchy of different elements to make sure that when we chunk those documents, we do not mix content. And so those chunks will not contain information on different topics, thus, confusing the LLM. And finally, we do not host our own embedding models, but we do integrate with most embedding model providers such as OpenAI. We integrate with different destinations such as DataStax, AstroDB, and 20 plus others, so that you can load your prepared, transformed, ready for RAG data into your vector store. However you want to build your RAG application from that point, whether you want to use vector search or keyword search, or you want to use re-rankers or any advanced RAG techniques, we do not orchestrate that part of the process. So we focus solely on preparing the data and delivering it from whatever source it's in to whatever destination you want it in, but ready for a RAG application. Start building things. It doesn't really matter whether you're an AI developer, a web developer. If you're just doing courses and looking at tutorials, you're not gonna go far. Start building things and you're gonna learn a lot about things that work, things that don't work, different ways to do the same thing, different issues you may encounter on the way, and you get real experience.